Joe Ebusia for everybody, Ochicheko children. I greet everybody. Please, right now I'm at Lucious Avenue. Avenue. AV. Hey,
where is Legon?
Yes, Avenue. Charlie, hey, it's all about say person looking nice. Say you would see your hair barbering and your hair.
So it's manicure, pedicure, barbering, dreadlocks, cutting, everything.
Yeah. Yes, and your branch is near me, you know. Your East Legon and I feel I shall go to
East Legon,
that's it. Come in your numbers. Come Baba, because here is where Ababa.
Okay.
And everybody Baba.
So yes, we are to a manicure.
And pedicure. So come and be nice and see everything nice. So here is Lucious Avenue. Come in your numbers. We say so. Blessings.
Active.
Yes, sir.
Understand music.
Offer me send a home for nonty. Matuto a drum day, Baba.
Oh, nice. I know I do not bobo was I was say I see you or so. Nice, Martini. Oh, inside. Now, I make a trade them in Selmbre. Nanny 3 days on me didn't come be. Or so about Ahuofe or but 2 friend back could be almost a nest. Ma down from the catcher and say, oh, boy, near the other. So, to honor so beefy and I done a dream. Mr. Amanda. I just want you to be loyal to my friend. So, Mr. So, if he say, "Inquisi baby," and the Jinny, I'm not so fast and from back. So, my brother have been through a lot. But you see, now, Cassan wise son, it's one and nearby so on dream for name on one dream park, and I order kinds of the other or the number. Mr. I say, about Donald, because that's my making a dear pay. No, only go be no tenor. Say, Tina,
na me netina wo na ye dey me ba wo Frank ade wo time ya na wo be se me atra Amanda na me netina wo na wo je me 100 million e na otwi me di na ko wie say
do you even know what you are
my friend shut up
in front of your girl
you think I'm a fool or you think I'm a children who's am akrema
George do you even know what we are talking about?
How can you talk to somebody girlfriend like you are talking to a girlfriend? How? I'm
sorry.
Amanda,
I'm sorry, okay.
You Amanda, go inside. I'm telling you. Matthew, go inside me.
Actually, I'm sorry.
Masa wana o den hands up. Hey, media me catch it. So when you be nasa to na after who di na after. I know baby, I'm in the better say. I don't know but umpe mi yana.
George.
Ade,
onye mo wan pa o.
Sounds also who yam wa.
Wuni ma sama me ni gina eka.
Asembe na catch it.
E na me catch no. Na dan funi fi o na mrebu ko na dan funi catch o say
my friend be pacho. Senka adwon yonko adwon pa enkanya the present girlfriend enim na be ube church and ex girlfriend ho nkoma kire no. En de na benya free mu.
Enfatu nkeke na na.
So nkwana nim nyansa na se de. Wona be chen de wonye. Senye se bia maka tina asama chen dada wo se ube bie tina asama so akire no. No hu se an bitua mama. To on certain to me be boa. Wonye wo ye hypocrite wo ye hypocrite
na won kasa obedwen adwen pa amami George.
Da be na so be e da obedwen adwen pa amami sa na me so bedwen adwen pa amami.
Ese mo wan adwen boni.
Ba me nche my friend depend say me home fa me. On fa drum na me. Ana be china tese wo be chire nsi mu akire no. Yes me bia.
Nanti wo ba no wantin komo na edi.
Fro
kono na wo free buy.
Fro kono na wo hypocrite ba.
Endi matemu.
Wo hypocrite.
Da bi nam tese endi matemu.
Me di matemu be dey.
Ah oba na nim na wo se wo tese wo di matemu.
Fro kono masa.
What?
Wa anya nka me nye. What say bibia nka papa ya enye de da.
One kind
of you say we on say ehuhuro ni awo bi esum ni han bi.
Say me change your friend am.
O girlfriend ba ha. Na me tell the say e kire o ex mu kire na. Ene ma no ma twem plan kire na ka be wo de.
Mate, why? Me dey me peni you one come here nsu abeka me ase.
Fro kono ha san kwansem ya san futie tie me ye. This is my life.
All right.
And I choose to be with anybody that I choose to be with. You can't tell me to be with somebody and not be with somebody. I'm telling you, remove your mouth from my relationship. Yes, okay. It's my last warning to you. I don't want to see you talking to my relationship before. That's all.
Your relationship before. What's your bro for here? They charge and I don't make a bro for here for swap one.
Share.
Huh? Cabrafuni and Jimmy no.
What can I say?
You next time.
You next time na better. Boy, umo winte. Oya no so broni. What bro for? Era watch day. Da family din kwase so ko be na ma chew break na film. Man na go say. Yo.
Understand music.
Agonda. Oh, Agonda. Agonda ma feel. Ma feel Agonda ma feel.
Bia bokodi.
Bia bokko Agonda. Bokko so nye bokko sa. O dey say. One na me ni do ani ma me twen so be ba tia me bi gina kra wo dey abai. Agonda. Tani me say.
Onim Kobby, unsa me pewasem.
Minim Agonda. Na say no dey. Me so ya da me. O friend
now you're fine boy, so you are dress come out.
But
one thing that I want you to know is as young as you are now, and yes I will pray now ending in prison. Although life to
yeah, I say
grow. No I could be prison. What you say? The way oh yeah niema o tata mi sister baby obefa bia na odi nachi baby obeko bia na wo tete no now the boyfriend no kontokwa tete na tade mu sane ma no you need to be very careful.
O ta na dem visa o man fa o be visa o man fa ati ase konta ade a me ye na so ati ase o ye be ma konta me do nua
menti ase se wo stalking me sister like you
konta ade akoso no I wish I would show, but I love you.
You had your time. Went to me and play with cats well. She's already in love. So what's your problem? Listen, I nearly called my dad. And by now, Kobby, and I'm afraid say, and massa at a 30 when you ain't could do me for the name. Kobby, a drew me for the name, just as one call over the prison. I am telling you this.
I've been into the prison, I don't care.
You want it that way?
No, it's not bad way. I love her. I feel the man say, I could have a mistake. I need your help. I need your help. Please.
Why your mistake? Unfortunately for you, when you're being for maybe you need to, do it in a way. Say, hey, Patricia, to was no answer one second. Can now wow honum now. We any achi. Miss Shaw, see, me pewasem. Me pesemeti bio da.
O de no so on pe masa konta.
No. Me pesemeti bio da say. Wa ko ni be ma na kwaye ntokosem ni sa ne ene de besi bia don't blame me. Don't blame me. The kwakra say leave them. Now mundi omudo munye say anye ye na say obetimi asa akoshe ho fine ene one enim but me ntimi nkoka nche me sister say unjai be ma no me fa obi o. I can't do that.
So bona the question
I got a mistake here.
Mm-hmm.
My mistake.
Why a mistake?
Say I saw train and mock me out. I think this is enough. Please. Boy, no, you're Bema. Wouldn't this mean your day? Me, I'm a high midday, my Tommy, dear, I just need your sister. What I say? No, we can't change your own jai boy. No, me foul. I swear. Swear, but me haven't taken them out. We come on, man. What many bro? I didn't mean any meal. Can you imagine this last time you see? Men nam car bomb swab a mente.
Want it? Now then what it?
I mean, you are going to
two days now, but
banging everything.
See, me pewasem. Men yet now, police. It's promise me, say, sir, and to come on. Please, talk to her for me. Talk to her and the country, but make sure, sir, why? Bye-bye, yo. Police, bubble. I didn't ever. That could be my mistake. Let me feel for an said the answer.
Oh, and just love,
surrounded
me like a flame.
Amanda,
A love that is strong and
it's not hanging our own casa. Give one bossa. Abe. Casam.
Don't give no Minka danger. You know what kind of Namaka? You see, me interested you, Nick. Right now, I don't know what to do. Because we are massing too much, and massing the dorsal, and meaning the aminium. Mean to me be more.
Amanda, my son, Ben, me. Say, be a donor won't know me be more. Catch her, said Nick. Baby, I do not me know you. Now, they and my son will better give me, and my son, Ben, me.
Wouldn't so yeah, massive. And they Yare adults. Yare adults wouldn't send me age more hospital, right? They be each and every day be the most funny thing is a mama or mobile hospital, they look beautiful. But Yare one or Modeba and means not small papa Yare be and Bambe coming. I'm sick and tired of cheating, crying every day, my bread.
Maybe can't catch yourself. What you know? Me won't bath for be at say Bria or Melissa. And then pan a wall bath for one Amanda, it be new. And in tea, I'm a quack of our bath for.
Who's I doing now? Cheat to us.
Amanda, on him cemetery. No, Macuma Mono, or before fruit be any good you. You won't qua. Say what? Yes, sir.
It's a wish and make. The name of them are making your mouth. Eh? If you are for the other tonight, about the Miss Lucy and wine.
I said, would ye a DD now?
Oh, and yet, there are some brand make or die and why you do. The street is not safe. Oh, no, turn off of food. And I can see that than you share and meeting on your side.
Taxi driver. Are you insane? Are you serious? No, you tell her taxi driver. Ah, how? Taxi driver and so on your machine. Minuna and Namne of taxi in the Michiano. On the premise open me. Many taxi driver be in Michigan. That means this conversation. Ye come on, taxi driver. Oh, no, I don't like that. I don't like that. Me invite you separate. They be a mechanic as I'm sure said Nick. Eddie Massam tatam Eddie. By mechanic now catch him some
What would be?
Really?
We are to some survey. You want to again? I just saw your master. Huh? Munya the papa won't so you. Bray out to me, dear, to the bar. What told your master?
So when then I want my dream say you guys are in love secretly. And then I'm away. What is this? Any fire. Means nothing.
Amanda.
Fafa, honestly, your
Amanda.
Honestly, your bar.
Amanda. Amanda only me semi dog.
Yeah, Leg. I don't know if you can miss that. Oba you was you miss that. Why? Mami. Oba dey. Madam Funono. Taxi driver need to know where out. Taxi driver need to.
Oh, taxi driver.
Taxi driver. So me would the omo.
Ah, taxi driver no name.
Me say. Why Rasta or station? Meaning in the fear to baby I see a taxi driver. Me say what you see why Rasta or American House taxi station one ma.
Let us say the Amanda eye me nyina
Taxi driver. Now who should say they would see brand or baby spec. Huh? I didn't even know you share there. Yeah, I didn't know me no share. So let's me up for I said I hope to get it.
Say what? Wo de meda wase. Na mo mehia omo a. Ekwan bi a yese obua me wo fa so. Na me hu sa taxi driver. Obua me na me hu. Na me so me mo wani mu wase.
It's say woni me be na say.
Wo de obua me na me hu taxi driver. Say de tie bia de won so re no me ma won sak. Amanda.
Ranex say taxi driver now should the truck I no be there. Ah, and I me know about my one. Other so him say na me I don't know madam for free one make me have show. As a we here you start on your be. Taxi driver now really dey na be.
And let us say you me pese me say ohonye fe anase bibisa. But Amanda you baby a wada makoma so. Me make say me do obi a efri makoma mu. Wadam for me do no free makoma.
Na ni nyina we master.
There be won say ye ntwa to so pese say de wo kire say wa hu obi no. Ana pese o de ma asem tag me. Egu mani mu ase. No kofa sa taxi driver no. But taxi driver no. What say? No be here.
Ranex on dey so on here. Oba na oba so pe oba na driver no so won. Who dey trust so why? Some number no wo. And then now order no. Say mu ni oh.
Dey catch am no am fema. Why?
Catch aduane na mo fama me why? Omo ko so mo discover.
Mechia.
I'm sorry for it.
Amanda. All right.
Babe. There's something we'll discuss. Say a be quick one.
You be quick.
Babe, now but say. Oh yes, site no so no. Maybe a project no.
New one,
yeah.
Are the language for example?
The be new language as some kwa. Last time na me kwa assassin so no. Gentleman do we no ho no. Me ko park me car no wo mo fie nanim. As no na me ye lie bi as any buefu no ho.
And I feel now catch me. To why cassette wada?
Oh babe, now what say me meet me handle me. But the guy no me sha. Na dwen is smart. Guy no na dwen is smart so babe. Yanya wild. Because many need nkomo no said ya as a testimony ade no yebetimi na you.
See what me draw conclusion.
Oh no, but
it
takes a day to know someone. I doubt because men akasa to assume me no me ensa masa kone ho like me share that peke me oh said me no man pese me hwe say yebetimi na yejuma o tie ne kasemu a e dan kwa me ja me ka ne man me buy no na intact. Yeah, or she or watch mommy.
Ti obe reading the kakra na say.
My reading ntina me bo man.
So no bia na no kati na say. If no you smart na bit me use no dia why not?
Oh babe.
Papa hwe kakra.
My shaba mpese me sign the minute to fem na me call. Mesa kono akokra me se me hwe so betimi aya mesa ko but entina me ma heads up say so far no me need din komo 1 2 me hu say his mind day e betimi na yejuma you can work with him.
Okay,
but mesa ko try no
and the necessary.
Yeah, mesa sa ko hwe be me sa ko hwe ne say said ya me hu no sanity but I'm just updating you. Said yeah.
Bebe Musa. Now the meko. But mane trick no mane nya say. Officer when ya John bi o feel say we no.
Mesa.
Hey! Although you shampoo.
Maybe.
We hard work for about 2.
And you really, I encourage a place for operator.
Same.
Okay.
My mind day for you. Yeah.
Random music.
Yeah, kind of.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, that reminds me. Dano, girl now didn't shine.
Oh yeah, that's my girlfriend. My beautiful baby.
Yeah, she's a nice girl.
Yeah. Thank you.
I heard so a nurse.
Oh yeah, said they know she nurse Saturday, and I will.
There be no nurse Saturday.
I know she nurse Saturday.
Yeah.
Oh okay.
Okay, that's nice. Well, hopefully this one, dear. I mean, everything will go on very well. Right?
Where are they to me for? Are you advising me? Listen, I've already advised myself already.
Okay.
Okay, so Tietie Mimi Oko. And let me tell you, and find she with me say what down for no. I cannot them in me refi. And every time bia me who bia no me kaitena. That is why I always talk about the money.
George, and you wanna win your girl for free. Let it go, eh?
Let it go, dear. I will let it go. But for the money side, I can't let it go. Because I'm crazy with the money. And I'm telling you the truth fact. I can't be a member. Somebody for somebody me sick free down for no. Listen, I'm a very good person if you don't know me. Let me tell you. I'm a very good person. That is why your boyfriend has stayed with me for so many years, for so long. But if you do me bad, I'll do you bad. That is who I am.
Whatever. All the best.
Listen, you better call your friend.
See you.
Tina, it's a bit too free planet we move. The moon that saw Earth we move, perhaps be a quaterna Mercury, and maybe a Saturn, and a Jupiter, and a Neptune, and a Uranus. Untunko different planet. But I say Earth we move on, said yeah. A comment me sabe for so I can music. I'll correct mama.
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels